After you've defined your corridor, you can create a series of reports. The first report is the corridor earthwork report. The corridor earthwork report will take a look at the corridor. You can identify your station incrementing that you want to report on, as well as include any subsection, or only include a subsection. You could also include a clipping boundary, as well as apply it, for shrinkage and bulkage, account for curvature adjustment, include horizontal and vertical points, as well as control the display option down here. So once you have this, you can click OK. Now up here is where you go into the report options. So in the report option, you can control what the header and footer is displayed or not displayed, what type of report it is, what the font size is. So once you get out of those reports or those options, you can just click OK, and it'll generate a corridor earthwork report. The earthwork report will display, depending on your settings, in a report view. You can see here the first page provides your project information, coordinate system data. If you applied your native and your fill material, that would be shown here. Your starting and ending station and your cut quantity, so you can see, again, if I define the materials, then it would show up here. But I get a volume. If I work my way through the next page, you can see I've got my mass earthwork, my subgrade quantities that are being calculated, as well as a breakdown per station of the area and the volume and the accumulated volume for your project. As I scroll down through the end, you can see the last page gives you a little density color legend and a footer. So you can save this as an Excel spreadsheet, a PDF, or a Word doc, or print it. So again, depending on the settings, will depend on what you get. But pretty detailed report from your corridor earthwork report option.